import versus domestic World Cup finals with this beautiful 67 twin turbo car. It's a big block Ford, is that right?
Yes.
The twin 88s?
Correct.
How much does it weigh?
3380.
Really? That's not bad for one of these cars.
No, we've taken as much out of it without gutting it as what we can.
What's the best ET in the car?
We don't normally race quarter mile. We normally run 8 mile up here in our class. It went at 435 to the 8. It's been a 31 to the 8.
Really? This is on a radial, right?
Correct. A 315. Correct.
That is nuts. Well, good luck today. Can't wait to see this thing around.
Thank you.